In manufacturing, every breakthrough, every part, every success relies on precision, and that success depends on a partner who delivers the right tools, materials, and expertise exactly when they're needed. Since 1952, PTSolutions has supported the companies that build our world. What began as a small Michigan operation has grown into a nationwide leader, with a mission that has never changed: to reduce our customers' total cost of operations. Headquartered in Novi, Michigan, our strategically located distribution centers and regional hubs deliver the speed and efficiency modern manufacturing demands, including same-day and even twice-daily deliveries in many regions. From cutting tools and abrasives to fluids, welding, safety, and more, we provide access to more than 2.5 million SKUs from the world's leading industrial brands. Whatever the job demands, our customers depend on us to keep production moving. At PTSolutions, product is only the beginning. Our point-of-use systems and inventory management expertise help customers maintain control, improve visibility, and optimize operations. Our digital platform connects millions of products to any device with real-time inventory, customer-specific pricing, and powerful search tools, making ordering faster, easier, and more transparent. But what truly sets PTSolutions apart is our expertise. Our cutting tool engineers and product specialists bring decades of hands-on experience, partnering with customers to solve complex challenges and improve machining performance to achieve documented cost savings and proven results. From aerospace and automotive to defense, medical, energy, and general machining, we support the industry shaping the future of American manufacturing. Local specialists, global reach. A trusted partner committed to innovation, performance, and success. This is PTSolutions. So what are we working on next?